In my previous video, I explained how to use and personalize the ribbon. Now, I will show you how to personalize your quick access toolbar, which is even better way how to save your time and make life easier. In the top part of the application window, you can see the set of icons which are always accessible. You can provide an action directly from here without searching an action in the tabs or deeper in the menu. Of course, you can change the list or add an action from the list of commands, which can be found here, and the window with Excel options will open. You can choose an action from the list of popular commands or specify a group of commands which you would like to concentrate on. You can choose, for example, a standard tab or a special tab which is visible only when we are working with an object. To add a command to Quick Access Toolbar, just choose it from the list and press Add. It will be added to the end of the list. To remove the command, just press Remove. If you have created some macro, you can add also this to the Quick Access Toolbar. This time you can modify the display name and a symbol for macro. If you wish, you can also make a change to the order of the commands. Just use small arrows on the right side of the list. You can also import or export your settings and use it on another computer. To confirm your changes, press OK. You can decide to place a Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. You will lose some small part of your working area, but you can have more icons in the toolbar and your icons will be colorful. Especially it is useful to add commands which are used very often or which are located somewhere inside of the structure in the menu. Now let's try an example. In the sheet example, I have a list of fruits and some stock. If I switch on the options for sorting in the Quick Access Toolbar, I can sort the list very easy. Just press the icon for the responding sorting and that's it. Otherwise, I have to go through menu and search for the appropriate option, which can be found in the Home tab, and here you can sort and filter the list. Even better example is if you want to strike through the text or make superscript or subscript. In the normal way, you have to right-click to the text, choose Format Cells, and in the font you have to choose strike-through. Same for subscript or superscript. If you do this often, then it would be useful to add this command to the Quick Access Toolbar. Let's do that. In the Settings options, choose More Commands, and then search for strike-through in the list of all commands. There is a really huge list of all commands, so I will choose strike-through. I will use the subscript and the superscript in the same way. Now confirm with OK. And then you can use it directly here. And that's all for now. I hope you like the Quick Access Toolbar, you find it useful, you like the video, so please give me a like and of course give me a subscribe. Thank you.